Hey everybody, today I am going to be doing a thrift flip. These are probably like some of my favorite things to do, I think, because I love being creative and I love taking the pieces that like have something wrong with them and creating something new and functional to use. And because I am a new mama, we're just on a little trip. Because I'm a new mama, I think it would be wonderful to have something matching with my little girl. And I think I got hit with like that new mama bug that you can match with your babies. And I'll try to link some of those down below, some of those sites that have like matching sets in case you're interested in matching with your little one. But I was interested in matching with my little one, but I just kind of wanted to create something. I was thinking about making like a scarf, like a headscarf, or I wasn't sure what I would make. A hat maybe, but then I was digging through my bins of stuff that are pretty much useless, things that I thrifted, and they have an issue with them. And so I was digging through, trying to think like what would be cool to make and that I wanted to make, that I was like excited about making. And I found this Levi's shirt that I had, and I've kept it because I loved it so much, and there are like some issues with it, so I couldn't sell it on Poshmark. I didn't really want to wear it, and I thought, well, I'm gonna maybe make something out of this. And so I kind of was scrounging around to figure out what looked good with it, and I found this cashmere and silk blend sweater. It was a men's sweater, and I liked that too. And I picked out a couple other pieces that I thought, well, maybe I'll use this somehow. And I'm gonna try to make a jacket. And I was really inspired by a couple of Free People jackets that I've seen recently that I loved. I forgot, one of them was called like a lakeshore jacket. My jacket, I already made it while I'm filming this, but my jacket didn't really turn out like it, but I was inspired by this jacket and by a couple of their Free People jackets. I put together kind of like a mood board of how I wanted this jacket to be, and I started to wing it. I was gonna say wung it, but I don't think that's the word. I wouldn't recommend doing what I did. I didn't use a pattern. I just have had a little bit experience with sewing, so I felt like I could probably make a pretty good jacket without having a pattern, and I just could kind of figure out what I wanted to do. But patterns are amazing if you don't really have too much experience with sewing, and even if you do, patterns are really nice to have, because without a pattern, you're not guaranteed that it's going to turn out good. So I probably should have made a pattern for myself, but I didn't. Thankfully, it turned out pretty good though. I did use a little jacket that I had for her. I kind of used that jacket as a pattern for the sizing that she needed. So I kind of took that jacket and I measured it, and then I recreated those panels and pieces on this other material that I had. So I kind of used that jacket as a pattern. Then I whipped out my sewing machine and got to work on my jacket, trying to figure out what I wanted, and I wanted to cut it and do all of this. I had all of these ideas, so I had to fine-tune my ideas to what exactly I wanted. And I cut up this little jacket too, because I really don't like buttons for little kids, like babies. I don't like button-up jackets. I like zip-up jackets for babies. So I didn't really want to use this jacket on her, so I thought I'm gonna use this jacket for cuffs, and it already has baby sleeves on it, so that's kind of helpful for the jacket that I'm gonna make for her. And then I'll just use the body of the jacket for cuffs for me. Anyways, her and I worked on that for a couple of hours together. I used hers, and it took me like over the course of a couple of days spending like an hour a day on it, just because it's like, oh, I need to feed her, or she started to fuss, or it was getting dark out or something like that. I had to stop what I was doing and go back to it the next day. I really love how these jackets turned out. I'm gonna take some pictures of her now in this jacket that I made for her, and then when she gets to be bigger, she can use the jacket that I made for myself, and then she can kind of have like throwback photos. Do you guys think matching with your baby is kind of cheesy? Let me know, but I think it's really cute. I really like how my skin is looking on camera. This is no makeup day, at least 19, but I actually started a little bit before the new year. And there's my skin so far. I've been using Vaseline and lanolin on my eyelashes, and they are looking pretty long. But that's gonna be for another video. I'm gonna do like a skin update video and let you know how the no makeup is going. Now here are the jackets. I paired these jackets with black and white. I think this would also just look really cute with like a dark wash denim. I'm gonna probably just wear these jackets with neutral colors, and hopefully it'll fit her for a couple of months. I made it a little bit big, so I think it'll fit her for a little while. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and seeing this thrift flip and seeing a cute little baby. Let me know what you guys think about mommy and baby matching sets down below in the comments. If you think it's cheesy, or if you used to think it was cheesy, kind of like I did. If you're interested in more thrift flips, please also let me know that down in the comments. I really enjoyed making these jackets. There's a few other things I would also like to make, but I'm not sure exactly what I want to make yet. So if you have any ideas, please let me know what those are, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!